Hi guys, it's the video y'all been waiting for. Hi guys, it is taking me forever to make this video since I can't decide on a ribbon. It's not that hard, Sierra. It's not that hard. For this gift, I am going to be using this beautiful rose gold ribbon. This is a satin edge organza center ribbon, and it's got the absolute thinnest wire on the edges here. So I will start with having just enough ribbon to do a little tiny knot. Go ahead and snip it off. And when I say tiny knot, I mean just one knot, not a double knot, just one. I usually have one of those big commercial tape dispensers, but for now I will just go ahead and use a little gift box. We'll hold that down there. Now for the fun part, the petals that everyone wants me to teach them how to do. I measure my petals by hand, and by doing that, this is how I want in general how big my bow to be. You can use like the side of this box and wrap around it if you are, having issues with your hands or holding it steady or keeping it even. But I like to use and measure with my hand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 5 on each side here. So we already did 1, then we'll do 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll snip it off. So this is the part that everyone gets confused over. There are a few different ways to cut through this ribbon to get your fluffy bow. I saw on some YouTube channels about cutting both sides here, and I think that's just the harder route to go. The easier route, in my opinion, is to fold it in half. Just fold it in half like so, and cut a V. You need to make sure that there is material running through all the petals down the center. So let's go ahead and cut that V here. One side and the other side. So it'll look like this. And then when you have it out, it looks like this. You can cut it as thin as you want. I'll even cut it just a little bit more. Sometimes the other side can actually be wider than the original side that you did cut through. Just make sure that you don't cut through all the way and ruin the ribbon. So we have a little V here. What I'm actually gonna do, because I know that you all want to savor your bows and save your bows and all that good stuff, this is actually not the method that I used as a gift wrapper in Texas because I did not have anything to do it with. But to save your bow, let's use this little piece of little wire that I got from an online order, and we'll just twist it just to secure the center. I just got these that were holding together some ribbon that I had ordered online. So how about we just do that? Then we'll take it onto the gift and do one more knot. And that is all. Don't do 2 knots. Now for the funner part. The funner part. What we'll do is we'll fan it out, and we'll start from the inside and pull out. So this one we have a tail. If you don't want a lot of tails, you can just snip them shorter. But we'll pull out, and then we will go down and up. So do down, up, and down. That is half our bow. We'll go to the other side here. We'll do the same thing. Down and up, and down and up. So this is what we're left with, and then you can just shift your bow any which way you want. It is completely latched onto the gift. Completely. The only thing that you would need to do now is actually just take the tie off of the center and you will still have this fluffy part here. If you need to snip your tails off more, go ahead and do so. If it gets flat, the really fun thing about wire ribbon is you can just fluff it right back up. That's the fun part about using a nice wire ribbon. And that's the reason why some people struggle with a satin material or satin ribbon. So that, folks, that, my friends, this is how we do a really pretty fluffy bow.